Today, we're going to read Flower Garden by Eve Bunnington. Garden in a shopping cart. Doesn't it look great? Garden on the checkout stand. I can hardly wait. Garden in a cardboard box. Walking to the bus. Garden sitting on our laps. People smile at us. Garden going up the stairs, stopping at each floor. This garden's getting heavier. At last, our own front door. Hurry, hurry, get the trowel. Spread the papers thick. Get the bag of potting soil. Get the planting mix. Put purple pansies at each end. Daisies white as snow. Daffodils, geranium, and tulips in a row. Garden in a window box, high above the street, where the butterflies can stop and rest and the ladybugs can meet. Walkers walking down below will lift their heads and see purple, yellow, red, and white, a color jamboree. Candles on a birthday cake, chocolate ice cream too. Happy, happy birthday, Mom, a garden box for you. Thanks for joining me for story time.